Hello once again. Welcome to Spinners.io Cryptocurrency Academy, your number one cryptocurrency training platform. Stay tuned and enjoy your training. Now we go straight to the point. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency are known as digital assets used as currencies created to serve as a medium of financial exchange between two users, and it uses cryptography to secure financial transactions. Now we may ask, what is cryptography? Now cryptography is the process of using secure communication technique to pass across information in an encrypted manner. In this process, the data is encrypted by the sender and can only be decrypted by the targeted receiver. Now, to state further, one of the major advantages of cryptocurrency over your traditional currency is the fact that no one has control over your transaction or is able to control when your unique account should be disabled or blocked. In summary, what I'm trying to say is that instead of using a centralized currency and central banking system, cryptocurrencies on their own maintain a decentralized control. Decentralized control of each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology known as the blockchain. The blockchain serves as a public financial transaction database, which can also be called as the cryptocurrency decentralized bank. The data on the blockchain is publicly available and stored on several computers. Hundreds of thousands of transactions can be seen and monitored through and from the blockchain. These transactions are extremely difficult or impossible to manipulate since there are so many copies being simultaneously maintained. The transactions and banking data is very safe. Decentralized structure allows each of these transactions to exist outside governmental control, which is one of the major advantages cryptocurrency has over your typical traditional currency. Another advantage of the cryptocurrency is the fact that it is completely free from professional manipulation, as you would always see in financial institutions today, whereby transactions carried out in the past can be tweaked, changed, or tampered with by those who have access. In the case of cryptocurrency, as has been stated earlier, the transactions are extremely difficult or even impossible to tamper with or change, as they instantly become read-only and unchangeable as soon as the transactions are created and executed. That is because each blockchain entry relies on a hash. What do you understand by the term hash? Now, hash is a computed value including parts of a previous block as part of its hashing calculation for the current block. This means that if the previous block is modified or corrupted, its hash value will change. Therefore, the values after that point becomes broken, making the tampering evident for all to see. So it is interlooped, which means once a single hash or a single transaction is tampered with, it affects the previous ones, and then also the transaction limit is interrupted. To put it all in simpler terms, cryptocurrency is a makeshift alternative for the typical traditional currencies, while the blockchain can be also called a bank for crypto transactions, as every transaction that takes place is stored on the blockchain through the unique hash, which can also be coined as the transaction ID, which helps in identifying and also differentiating the transactions on the blockchain network. Hope you enjoyed the lessons. For any question, please go to the forum and enter in your questions, as our professionals will definitely give you the right answers. Bye bye.